everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this gorgeous greeting card for Mother's Day, which is having this beautiful belly band designed with paper quilling strip flowers, and I am just loving the combination of blue and pink so much. So you just need to slide the belly band like this, and inside the card you will have this beautiful shutter window. So this card is known as shutter card, and inside the window I have written the sentiment Happy Mother's Day, and you can just play with this interactive card like this. I have created this card for my mom for upcoming Mother's Day. So without any further delay, let's start with the procedure. Here I am taking blue color cardstock, which is having 250 GSM thickness, and this measures 22 by 14 centimeters. Now from left side I have creased at 5.5 and also from right side I have creased at 5.5 centimeters. Now folding both side creases and burnishing it very well. Like this. Then taking one more piece which is 9 by 7.5 centimeters, and from right side I have creased at 1 centimeters. So just folding this and burnishing it. Then just rotating it, and from left side I am marking at 3.5 centimeters and just creating one straight line using pencil, very light marking. Then we have to find out the center of this line. So this is 7.5 centimeters, so half of 7.5 is 3.75. So just marking it exactly in the center, and diagonally we need to join the center point with bottom two corners. Then we just need to cut these diagonal lines. And just rubbing the pencil marking, and the one side panel of shutter card is ready. Similarly I have prepared left side panel with the same method, so it will go like this. Okay, very easy. Then taking back my card, and it's time to mark the card from top at 1 centimeters. Then taking one of the shutter card panel and aligning this folded part with the panel like this, just exactly below on this 1 centimeter line from top. Then add glue on this folded part and just close the panel like this. Stick it nicely. Similarly, on the right side I am aligning it with folding, adding glue and sticking it. So it should work like this, and it is working perfectly. Now I have created this sentiment panel on which I have written Happy Mother's Day, and it will come inside the shutter window like this. So we just need to take one small piece of cardstock. Now I am just sticking it exactly in the center. and then decorating the left and right side of the card using this beautiful pattern paper which is handmade. I have created these pattern paper by my own, and if you haven't seen the video yet, I have given a link in description box of how to make handmade paper at home. You can just check that so that you can create your own handmade paper to create cards like this. So I have decorated both side panels. Looking very pretty. Then taking 16 by 8 centimeter pink cardstock, and from left side and right side I have creased at 1 centimeters. Now we just need to fold these creased parts and burnish it very well. Then taking one piece of pattern paper which is again handmade, and I am sticking it on top of the pink panel. Then putting this inside the card, and we have to find out the center. So just putting it behind these two crisscross panels, aligning it exactly in the center, just eyeball it, close the crisscross panels and creating the rough sketch of this diamond shape so that we'll know the exact location. Now here I am taking this die which is having 6 centimeter diameter. This is the circle die, securing it nicely in the center. If you don't have dies, you can simply cut using 6 centimeter diameter by paper cutter, and I am passing it through my easy cuts machine. It makes our work easier and faster. So in few seconds we have cut the nice circular shape, and the center panel is ready. Now folding the topmost folded part and sticking it like this on top of the card, similarly sticking the bottom one. And the card is ready, working fine. Then taking this 5.5 by 14 centimeter pink cardstock and decorating this with beautiful pattern paper which is handmade. Here I am creating the panels to decorate the card from top. Similarly we need one more strip, so just decorating these doors. Like this. Then to create belly band, here I am taking pink cardstock strip which is 28 by 3.5 centimeters. Just taking the card and we have to wrap it around the card to create the belly band. So just don't make it too tight, it should slide easily on your card, and then fold both the sides, burnish it and stick these panels with each other so that you'll get beautiful band. And I'm just checking whether it is passing through the card easily or not, and yes, it's perfect. Then decorating the front using this beautiful strawberry pattern paper which we have used inside as well. Then to decorate the belly band, here I am taking these 4 circle cutouts. The golden one is having 7.5 centimeter diameter. Now I am sticking the blue circle, then pink circle, and then this pattern paper circle on top of this. So one by one I am sticking all the circles with each other. The blue circle is having 7 cm diameter. Then taking the pink one. This is having 6.5 cm diameter. And then on top of this I am adding pattern paper circle. This circle is having 6 cm diameter. Now it's time to connect this on top of the belly band. Like this, very pretty. Then decorating the card using this beautiful border design from inside and also from outer side. Then just quickly passing the belly band, and the base for the card is ready. Now it's time to decorate this with quilling flowers. So for my first flower here I am taking pink color 3mm strip, just creating 3 loops in increasing order and then making 2 loops on left and right sides in decreasing order. Then wrapping this whole petal using same strip, and the petal is ready. So we need total 9 petals to make the flower. I am joining all the petals together. Now to create the center of the flower I am taking 2 strips of white color in 3mm and making one tight coil. Then just sticking the center and the flower is ready. Then for the next flower I am taking 1/3 strip of white color in 3mm and making one pointed teardrop shape. Just joining total 9 petals together and adding half cut pearl in the center to make the flower. So this is done. Similarly, I have prepared one more. Now here I have prepared 3 pink color petals which are made using 1/4 strip of dark pink color. These are simple pointed teardrops. Then taking small piece of sap green color strip, folding this from center by adding little glue, and on tip of this strip I am adding these 3 petals. So this way we can create beautiful fillers, and we need total 4 fillers. Then to create leaf, here I am taking 1/4 strip of sap green color in 3mm, just creating simple leaf shape, and I have already prepared lots of leaves to decorate the card. Then taking back my belly band and I'll start decorating this with handmade flowers, fillers and leaves. Like this, very pretty. Then taking one blue color sketch pen and randomly adding some dots here and there just to balance the color combination and to fill little gaps. And I have done some brush calligraphy to write the sentiment made with love on white cardstock. On the bottom of this I have added blue cardstock strip and just stuck this strip in little curved manner, not very flat. It looks nice and 3D to decorate your cards. So the beautiful belly band is ready. Now taking back my card, and I'm just loving the outcome so much. Instead of Happy Mother's Day sentiment, you can also put your mom and yours photo inside the shutter window and just passing the belly band through this. The card is looking very adorable, isn't it? So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and please click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. I'm waiting for your comments. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.